In the land of pharma, Belgium is king.
Yeah!
1 out of 6 medicines that are being exported from Europe depart from Belgium. That's half of the medicines we produce in our little country. Luckily, Belgium also produced Mercator, the inventor of modern maps, in 1569, so that we perfectly know where our products are going. But our famous fellow countrymen go back way longer. Julius Caesar already knew that Belgians were amongst the bravest on earth.
Heil Caesar!
So guess who were the first ones flying into African countries touched by Ebola in 2014? Right, the Belgians. Brussels Airport and Brussels Airlines bravely delivered vaccines and other medical equipment to the areas in need. And it was not a first, because in the world, 4 out of 10 children will receive a vaccine that was produced in Belgium. So, probably more people around the world enjoyed the benefits of our medicines and vaccines than our chocolates. Isn't that Belgitastic? Although, talking about chocolates, did you know that Neuhaus was actually a Brussels pharmacist? In 1857, he invented the Belgian praline by covering pills with chocolate. This was pharmaceutical innovation, avant la lettre. You see, the Belgians have always been a bit ahead of their time. Vesalius was one of them. He was intrigued by the human body and dug up corpses to see how our machinery worked inside. He established anatomy as we know it today. Well, almost. And still today, Belgium is a worldwide champion of innovative clinical research. Pharma companies here represent 40% of all private sector R&D investments. They employ 4,200 researchers and more than 35,000 people in the pharmaceutical and related sectors. So, forget about Silicon Valley. Belgium is Pharma Valley. With 7 high-class universities, 19 advanced research centers, 92 hospitals, and a diverse portfolio of 200-plus pharmaceutical companies ranging from small SMEs over local biotech companies to large manufacturing sites. Some are even specialized in animal health. The collaboration in this ecosystem is very fruitful. Belgium is proudly 5th in the world ranking of countries with the highest number of medicines in development. With such a strong presence of pharma in the country, no wonder our famous national monument is a molecule. The atomium in Brussels is a tiny iron molecule, but then 165 billion times bigger. So, we're big in discovering even the smallest things. Peter Piot, for instance, helped discover the Ebola virus in 1974 and spent blood, sweat and tears containing it. With his Project CEDAR in the Democratic Republic of Congo, he also laid the foundations of science's understanding of HIV infection in Africa. So, we are good at searching what others don't find. The anti-conception pill, for instance. Did you know that the first anti-conception pill without the infamous side effects was developed by a Belgian? So what seems like a small pill for a woman is a giant leap for womankind. Talking about emancipation, nowadays women represent 49% of the employees in Belgian pharma industry. And within R&D, they're even 62%. No glass ceiling to stop them. With 41% of management being female, pharma is one of the best in class. So it comes as no surprise that the pharmaceutical sector has a great reputation on the job market. Year after year, numerous awards for most appealing workplaces go to Belgian pharmaceutical companies. Did you know that up to 6 patents per week are granted to discoveries in chemistry and life sciences? That's 1 out of 3 patents in Belgium and earns us an 8th place worldwide in patent requests per capita. That's something to celebrate. And boy, do we Belgians know how to celebrate. In summer, one of our most famous attractions is Tomorrowland, a festival that makes visitors dream of a bright, happy future, just like every single pharma researcher dreams to help improve the quality of life of patients. And what the festival actually does in a weekend, the pharma sector does every day. We develop today the cures for tomorrow. So now you know why in the land of pharma, Belgium is king.
Hello.